Welcome back friends. Previously we learned exercise 1.3 related to estimation. Okay. Today we will learn topic that are using brackets, expanding brackets and Roman numerals. That using bracket and expanding brackets are very important topic. Okay. So here some example related to how to use a bracket in example. So first is Seema got 6 notebooks from the market and cost was ₹10. What is statement says that the statement is Seema got 6 notebook, cost is ₹10. 6 notebook buy करे यानी cost कितनी है ₹10. Reema got 7 notebook of same type. Reema एक बार same notebook खरीदी but के leave 7. So what is the total money they paid? એમને કેટલા મની આપ્યા હશે? તો બે મેથડ થી એક્ઝામ્પલ થાય. ફર્સ્ટ રીમાએ કેટલા રૂપીસ પે કરે એ ફાઇન્ડ કરે. સોરી સીમાએ કેટલા રૂપીસ પે કર્યા હશે 6 નોટબુક ના? 60 રૂપીસ. અને રીમાએ કેટલા પે કર્યા હશે 70 રૂપીસ. અને પછી શું કરે બંનેનું એડિશન. કાં તો પછી બીજી રીતે થાય કે પહેલા ટોટલ નોટબુક બંનેની ફાઇન્ડ કરી દઈએ. 7 plus 6 that is 30 and 30 notebooks na 10 rupees per notebook to 130 rupees આવે. Clear? તો બે રીતે example થાય. So for method 1 we can find the cost of 6 notebook and cost of 7 notebook and addition of that is 60 plus 70 130. Okay, using a bracket. That is method 2. What we have to do? First we find the total notebook. 6 plus 7, this is the bracket, multiply with 10. 13 multiply with 10, 130. You can see the answer with the bracket and without bracket is same, but the method with the bracket will be easier. Okay, this is the use of bracket in situation. Second example is same. Sohini and Rita works for 6 days. If Sohini works 5 hours and Rita works 8 hours, how many hours they works together? Means if we are using the brackets, total hour will be 6 plus 8, 14, and if they works for a 6 day, so total hours, these are for 1 day. Total hour for 6 days will be 14 into 6, 84 hours. Clear? This is the method of using brackets. Now expanding brackets. Here how to we use topic related expanding bracket. So here one example, 7 multiply 109. Use the expanding bracket to make multiplication easier. If this kind of number is there, then how we will use expanding bracket? So first 7. Now 109 can be written as 100 plus 9. This is the bracket. Now expanding the bracket means open the bracket. Here 7 is multiplied with 100 and 7 is multiplied with 9. If there is a bracket, then number that is outside in multiplication will be multiplied with both number inside the bracket. જે નંબર બહાર હોય એ બ્રેકેટ ની અંદર બંને નંબર સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય. So 7 multiplied with 100 plus 7 multiplied 9. 7 multiplied 100 is 700. 7 9s are 63. Okay, addition of number 763. Clear? Next example, 102 multiply 103. Now you can solve 100 plus 2. That is 102 multiply 100 plus 3. Now how can we solve this kind of example? First 100 is multiplied with whole bracket. 100 is multiplied with 100 plus 3 plus 2 multiplied with 100 plus 3. Means first bracket na બંને number second bracket સાથે multiply થાય. 100 multiply with 100 plus 3 and 2 multiply 100 plus 3. Now again this is the same example as the previous one. So 100 is multiplied with 100 100 is multiplied with 3 plus 2 multiplied with 100 plus 2 multiplied with 3. Now 100, that is 10,000 plus 300 plus 200 plus 6. You will get 10,506. Okay. Next example, 107 multiply 3. You can split 107 as a 100 plus 7 multiply 3. 3 is multiplied with 100 and 7. So 3 multiply 100, 3 multiply 7. So 300 plus 21, 321. Same, this example is like 102 and 103. So again we can write 100 plus 5, 100 plus 1. 100 is multiplied with 100 plus 1 and 5 is multiplied with 100 plus 1. So 100 into 100 plus 1 plus 5, 100 plus 1. Now first we open this bracket. 100 is multiplied with 100. 100 is multiplied with 1 plus 5 is multiplied with 100 plus 5 is multiplied with 1. Now 100 into 100, 10,000 plus 100 plus 500 plus 5. So you will get 10,605. See some example related to expanding the brackets. 5 example is there. 23 multiply 102, 103 multiply 101, 64 multiply 103, 101 multiply 43, 106 multiply 53. Now to clear with using the brackets and expanding the brackets. Okay. Next topic is Roman numerals. We already learned Roman numerals for 1 to 20 in a previous standard. Okay. So here some rules are there. There are 5 rules for a Roman numerals that you have to remember. 5 rules છે જે તમારે યાદ રાખવાના છે. So first is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occur. જો કોઈ સિમ્બોલ રિપીટ થતો હોય તો એની વેલ્યુ શું થાય? એડ થાય. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, હિયર 2i means it is 2. x, 1x means 10, so 2x means 20. Same, 3x means 30. If its value is repeated, it is added. Second rule, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. કોઈ પણ સિમ્બોલ 3 times કરતા વધારે ટાઈમ રિપીટ થશે નહીં. But the symbol V, L and D is never repeated. V means 5, L means 50 and D means 500. This number will never repeat it. This symbol will never repeat it. Third, if a symbol of smaller value is returned to the right of symbol of greater value, its value is added. જો કોઈ એવો સિમ્બોલ હોય જેની વેલ્યુ બીજા સિમ્બોલ કરતા ઓછી હોય અને રાઈટ સાઈડ પર લખી હોય તો એ એડ થાય. Here we will understand this rule with example. Here V and I. We can say V, value of V is 5 and value of one I is 1. It is written right side means 5 plus 1. નાના સિમ્બોલની વેલ્યુ મોટા નંબરમાં એડ થાય. Here value of 10 x is 10. Double I is 2 means it is written to the right side means its value is added. So 10 plus 2, 12. L that is 50. Right side x that is 10 so added. Right side V that is 5 means again added. So 50 plus 10 plus 5, 65. જો કોઈ સિમ્બોલની વેલ્યુ બીજા સિમ્બોલ કરતા નાની હોય અને રાઈટ સાઈડ ઉપર લખ્યો હોય તો એની વેલ્યુ શું થાય? Add થાય. Fourth, if a symbol of a smaller value is returned to the left. જો symbol નાનો હોય અને left side લખ્યો હોય. So, of the symbol of greater value, its value gets subtracted. જો symbol નાનો હોય અને left side લખ્યો હોય તો એની વેલ્યુ શું થાય? subtract. We will understand this rule with one example. We can say V is a 5 and I is 1. So it is written to the left. So 5 minus 1, 4. So this symbol represents 4. X is 10, I is 1. It is written to the left. So 10 minus 1, 9. X is 10, L is 50. It is written to the left. So 50 minus 10, 14 is XL is 40. C means 100. X is 10. Written to the left. So 100 minus 10, 90. It means XC is represent 90. Okay. Fifth rule. The symbols V, L and D are never written to the left of the symbol of greater value. ક્યારે પણ V, L and D left side ઉપર લખાશે નહીં. means the number are never subtracted. V, L and D are never separated. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X. જે symbol I છે ખાલી V અને X માંથી જ subtract થશે. Symbol X can be separated from L that is 50, M that is 1000 and C that is 100 only. The symbol X can be separated from L, M and C. જે X છે ખાલી L, M અને C માંથી subtract થાય. Okay? You need to remember these 5 rules to write Roman numerals for any number. Here Roman numerals for some number is given 1I, 2I, 3RRR, 4IB, 5V, 6VI, 7VII, 8VIII, 9IX, 10 is X, 10X, 20XX, 30XXX, 40XL, 50L, 60LX, 70LXX, 80LXXX, 90XC, 100C. This numeral you need to remember to write 1 to 100 Roman numerals. D means represent 500 and M represent 1000. If you want to write number after 500 or 1000, you need to remember D and M also. Here example 5 is given in your textbook. Write Roman numerals. Here two example is given to write the Roman numerals. 69. 69 can be written as 60 plus 9. But what is the Roman number for 60? We can write Roman number for 60 from this step 50 plus 10. Roman number for 50 is L. X represent 10. 9 is IX. So LXIX. Okay. 98 means represented by 90 plus 8. But what is 90? 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 means XC. Minus કરવાનું હોય તો left side લખવાનું. That's why XC. 8 means VIII. So together it is XC VIII. This is Roman numeral for 98. Homework. You need to write Roman numerals using this method. આ method થી 53, 66 and 92 ના Roman numerals લખવાના છે. Again, in homework you need to write Roman numerals for 1 to 100. 1 to 100 ના Roman numerals પણ homework માં લખવાના છે. With this, your chapter 1 will be over. In next video, we will start chapter number 2, whole number.